Hey guys, in today's video we'll be adding another couple of case fans to our computer. So as Mati has here, it's the Kopplen 120 millimeter fans we'll be installing. These ones have the LEDs on them, so the round shroud, you can call it, has red LEDs on it. So we'll be adding these ones to it. We already have two fans, one at the front as an intake and one at the back, of course, as an exhaust. So we're going to be changing them up. I'm going to be putting all these new ones here. This one here I'll be putting at the top as an exhaust as well. So basically I'll be adding one intake and one exhaust. We're going to have two and two all together. My motherboard only has two headers for two fans. But my power supply, which is an EVGA, did give me extra cabling. So I'll be adding this one here straight to my power supply to power both my new fans. So depending on the motherboard you have, all that kind of stuff, you might need extra wiring, or you might even want to use piggybacks, I think they're called, or splitters. That's what the word I'm looking for. Splitters for these fans. But anyways, these ones here, let me open it up, show you what they look like, and we'll get started. Okay, so the fan here, this is what the fan looks like. This is a 32 LED, I believe is what it was, 32, 33. 33 LED, so the LEDs are all inside here, so this will be turning red. And then for the wiring for it, you got the new style pin connectors here, 3-pin. It also has the 4-pin old style, I believe is what this one is. So this is what I will be using in conjunction with this, straight from my power supply. So of course it includes the 4 mounting screws for it. So first things first, I will remove these two fans, existing fans. They're going to be wired through my motherboard, but it's going to move into the different spots. And then I'll be taking the back side of my computer apart so I can get access to the power supply. So depending on the computer that you have, it all depends how you're going to be wiring it. But anyways, let's flip it around and we'll start. Okay, so first thing I've done, of course you unplug everything from the computer, is I run my power supply cable here. So these are the two connections I'll be using for both fans. And of course mine's modular power supply, so I just connected a single one there to the peripheral connection, and that's what I'll be using. So I got that done there. This one will be staying here because I should be able to feed the wires through the sides here where they're tucked away. So now that I've got that done, I'll flip it over and start removing the other fans. Okay guys, so we've done one of the fans. That's this one here. So all you gotta do is Phillips screwdriver. You remove 4 screws, one in each corner, and then basically that's what I did anyways. I moved the one that was there and I put it here already. I'll give you a better view here shortly. And then same thing to install it. Put it on there, 4 screws, slide it up and down. It does have slots so you can go up and down depending on where you want it. Put the screws back in there, tighten it up, and you're good to go. So the one at the top here, let me get the camera here. So there is the one that's on the top now. Again, depending, you'll see different slots, so you can have it to the front, kind of in the middle here as you can see it, or towards the back. I have mine here kind of almost in the middle. So yeah, that's how easy you can move these fans around or install some more. So that one's done. I've gone and fed my wire to this slot here. Now that I got my power supply kind of back up a bit, give me enough opening to feed my connection there, and then fed my wire through here, so I'll zip tie so it's nice and clean. Next we will do the front one, the other one. So that's the original one there. So I will move this one, I'll move it up, and then place the new one on here. Now to gain access to this one for the screws, I have to remove this front panel. And this on my computer, yours may be different. But anyways, let me get this one done and we'll come back. Alright, so now I've done the front intake. So you see it's there. And as I mentioned before, Just gotta remove these 4 screws. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just took them off, put the fan up here. Of course I got enough slack on my wire for it to go up here and it's still tucked away. So put that on there, and now the new one will be going here at the bottom. So this was an intake, so I'll be placing this one right here is where this one will be sitting. So I'll have that one there with the red LEDs on it. So yeah, basically this is all you gotta do. Put it on here, put your 4 screws, slide it up and down, depends where you want it. Mine's gonna be sitting right about there probably. Put my 4 screws, feed the wire for the power, and we'll start putting things back together, and then we'll give it a test, make sure it's working, and then we'll finish it up. Alright, so I've got both fans mounted. I got the wiring fed through here to the side on my back panel. So now it's time to basically what I'm going to do now is put on to the power. So now since I'll be using these old style plugs, mine has actually for 3 of them, which is fine. So I'll just have to plug these ones in now, and basically just have to line up to the connectors here. I guess I'll be using, I guess doesn't matter which one I use. So yeah, I'll just be plugging these ones in like so. Gotta line them up and plug one in there, and then I'll grab the other one and throw it on this one, for example. And then there you go, both are done now. So now I gotta grab all these wiring here and tuck it all the way, and then just zip tie, make sure it's all out of the way, which should be there. Just gotta clean up a little bit. I'll put my power back in there. We'll start putting things together, and we'll test it out. So again, depending on the computer case that you have and where your fans are and whatnot, where you're getting your supply from, power supply from, is where you'll be doing your wiring. But anyways, let's finish this off and continue on. Alright guys, we're all done. I got all my panels put back together, the back side, the front, everything's plugged back into my computer. So now we will give it a try and see what these ones look like. Let's press the power button. Ooh, there they go. Perfect. So you can see there's all the new ones, So LED rings on those. Let's have a look at those. Looking pretty nice. Not sure how the video will come out, but in person they're really nice. And there you go. So there's the front intake along with the one that came with the computer, and then there's the back exhaust, and then there's the one. I'm sure you can see it. I also have a LED strip on the back there. There you go. It kicked in now with different color. That's the color I used to have, but I'll change it up so kind of matches everything. So yeah, that's how you you install some more case fans in your computer. I'll post the link on the models that I installed here today, so if you want to check those out you can. Anyways, thanks for watching. Any comments, questions, let us know.